Hi. When we need to evaluate a set of points on a particular equation, you can graph it first, then enable table on the graph page by pressing Ctrl T. Let's enter two simple equations. I press Ctrl T. Here we can see the graphs and table view with set of values for integer x. You can use left, right, up and down arrows to scroll between the values. Let's press menu for more controls. Under table options, you can control the tables. You have full control on settings for x values, where it starts, and step values. Let's change the step value for 0.2 and observe. As you see, x values increases or decreases by 0.2. Another option I like to use is making the independent variable user defined. Menu again, table, edit settings, and instead of independent, choose ask. This time, I can put any values without any restriction. 1, 1.2, and everything will be calculated. However, when the output has so many decimal places, I still recommend you to go back to calculator page and evaluate these values there. When I press the variable button, I can select the function that I want, and I can put any values that I like. Thanks for watching. See you at another tutorial.